Today we're going to see how to download the Exide BRT12 suite onto your PC. So let's start with the packaging, and you should receive with the tool this web address. Now what we need to do is I'm going to copy this from here, and we're going to open a browser and we're going to put it up here in the address bar, not the search bar, the address bar at the top of the screen. So there we go, and press enter. So now we get this screen. We're going to pick a language. I'm going to go for UK, and we need to click on PC Suite. So you can see in the top right it's downloading, so then we just need to click on it and accept that we want to install this on our PC. So here it is, it's come up, so we'll just go next. The installation folder is in the C drive, we're happy with that, so we'll go next, next, and then wait for the installation. Yes, and finish, and then installation complete, so we'll close to exit. Now you'll see we can minimize this screen and this one, and you can see we've got a new desktop icon. Double click on that. We're going to accept the privacy policy, and it's now asking us to plug the tool in. So I'm going to plug my tool in and click next. Okay, now we come to this screen. It's asking us to fill out the information. Select UK. So I'll put in some details. We just require you to put as much details and be as accurate as possible there, please. And then we go next. So you can see now the tool is registered with my email there, postcode, and I've been given a subscription number. So we just click finish, and now it's detecting the tool. And the tool just happens to be up to date, but ordinarily you would have a few updates to do, and you would just go through that process. So also on the suite here we've got application viewer, so you can use this to see which vehicles are covered. There is a scroll bar at the bottom, so do look at this last column. I think it's pretty straightforward, but it's as easy as that. And thank you for watching.